See chapter 2, exercise 2.1, sum number 6. Use Euclid's division algorithm to find the highest common factor, HCF of 340 and 412. So by Euclid division algorithm, so we know that Euclid division algorithm for any two integers, A and B, I divide A by B, I'll get the quotient Q and the remainder R, where R should be less than B and it should be greater than or equal to 0. The same method we apply here to find the HCF of these two numbers. Say 340 and 412. Among these two numbers, 412 is the greatest one. You take that as the dividend. 340 is the divisor. So how many times it goes? In 412, 1 times it goes. So 412 minus 340, you will get the remainder as 72. Now the divisor become the dividend. 340 is equal to, the remainder becomes the divisor. So here if we divide this 340 by 72, it goes here 4 times. Remainder is 52. Now you take this divisor 72 as your dividend and this remainder as your divisor. It goes 1 time and remainder is 20. Now this divisor becomes the dividend. Remainder becomes the divisor. In 52 it goes 2 times. 40. So 52 minus 40 will get 12. Now this divisor becomes the dividend. Remainder is the divisor. It goes 1 time plus 8. Then 12 is equal to divisor as remainder here 1 plus 4. Then the divisor is dividend 8. Remainder becomes the divisor. It goes 2 times plus 0. See, we arrived at remainder as 0. Now our divisor here is 4. This is your HCF, highest common factor. Highest common factor is equal to 4. So 4 is the HCF of 412 and 340. We'll do one more sum. Second sum, 867 and 255. So you take the biggest one as the dividend. The smallest one becomes the divisor. How many times it goes here? If you divide, you will get the quotient as 3. And finally the remainder is 102. 255 becomes the dividend. Divisor is 102. Here in 255, 102 goes 2 times. The remainder is 51. The divisor becomes the dividend. Remainder is 51. It goes 2 times. See, 51 into 2, 102. Remainder is 0. See, we arrive at the remainder 0. So in that case, the divisor here, the final divisor becomes the HCF. HCF is equal to 51. So HCF of 867 and 255 is 51. Let us do the third sum. 10,224 and 9,648. So this 10,224 is equal to 9,648. If we divide, it will go one time. The remainder is 576. 576. Now the divisor 9,648 is equal to 576. If we divide, it goes 16 times plus 432. Divisor 576. Remainder is the divisor 432. It goes here one time plus 144. 432. This remainder is the divisor. It goes 3 times. It is divisible by this. So remainder you will get 0. So the final divisor is 144. So HCF is equal to 144. We'll do the fourth sum. 84, 90 and 120. So far we have found the HCF for only 2 numbers. Here 3 numbers are given. First you take any 2 numbers. Let me take 90 and 120. Here the greatest one is 120. So I write that multiple of 90. 90 here it goes one time. Remainder 30. So this divisor 90 is the dividend. Remainder 30 it goes 3 times. So the remainder is 0. So our divisor here is a HCF. HCF is equal to 30. Now you find the HCF of, you have to find the HCF of 84 and 30. This HCF 30. So 84 is the biggest number. This 30 you have to divide, it goes 2 times plus 24. So this divisor become dividend. Remainder divisor, it goes one time plus 6. Divisor is 24. Here dividend and 6 is the divisor. It goes 4 times and divides accurately and the remainder is 0. So what is the final divisor here? 6. So HCF is equal to 6. See, in the first step we got the HCF of 90 and 120 as 30. We take that HCF 30 and the number left over is here 84. And we find the HCF for these 2 numbers. This is 6. So this 6 is the HCF of all the 3 numbers. HCF of 84, 90 and 120 is 6. Thank you.